Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best compressed air dusters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Kagiwiru Compressed Air Duster. At just $19.99, this is our budget-friendly option, making it perfect for those who need a simple and effective cleaning tool without breaking the bank. It features 3 adjustable speed settings, maxing out at 91,000 RPM. Enough power to handle light to moderate cleaning tasks. The 5 included nozzles make it versatile for cleaning keyboards, electronics, and even inflating small items like air cushions and swimming rings. The design is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and store. However, the build quality reflects its low price point, with a plastic body that feels less durable than higher-end models. The lack of a robust battery and a reliance on manual power toggling might be limiting for heavy-duty use. It's a solid choice for quick, casual cleaning. But don't expect it to tackle deeply embedded dust or debris with the same efficiency as more powerful models. Pros include its affordability, portability, and basic versatility. Cons are the lower power output and a shorter battery runtime compared to other options on this list. Overall, this is a great starter air duster for light home or office use. At number 4, we have the Full Gion Compressed Air Duster, priced at $27.99. This model offers an impressive combination of features for the price. It comes with a 51,000 RPM motor and 3 adjustable speed settings, giving you the flexibility to handle a variety of cleaning tasks. The built-in LED light is a thoughtful touch, especially when cleaning in hard-to-see areas like behind a computer or inside a keyboard. The Full Gion is compact and lightweight, making it easy to maneuver, and it includes 5 different nozzles to enhance its versatility. The 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery provides up to 30 minutes of runtime, and it charges fully in about 4 hours via USB-C. However, its brushed motor design is less durable than the brushless motors found in more premium models, and the airflow power might not be sufficient for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Pros include its budget-friendly price, multiple speed settings, and LED light for added convenience. On the downside, it lacks the high power output of pricier models and has a longer charging time. If you're looking for an affordable all-rounder for moderate cleaning needs, this is a solid pick. Taking the 3rd spot is the Fresmal Compressed Air Duster, priced at $28.99. This model steps up the game with a powerful 100,000 RPM motor and 3 adjustable airflow settings, making it suitable for a wide range of cleaning applications. Whether you're tackling dust on a computer keyboard or debris in hard-to-reach areas, the Fresmal delivers strong, efficient performance. One standout feature is the high-definition LED display, which shows both the battery level and the current wind gear, adding a layer of convenience. Its 7,500 mAh battery provides up to 40 minutes of runtime, depending on usage, and it charges fully in about 3 to 4 hours via USB-C. The included 5 nozzles and 3 brushes make it versatile for cleaning electronics, household items, and even outdoor use. However, its slightly bulkier design may not be as portable as others on this list. The Fresmal shines in power and features, offering excellent value for the price. Pros include its strong performance, LED display, and versatility. Its cons are the slightly heavier build and average battery life. If you want a powerful yet affordable air duster, this is a great mid-range option. In 2nd place is the Hamadi Compressed Air Duster, priced at $39.99. This model packs a punch with its 150,000 RPM motor and 4 adjustable speed settings, making it one of the most powerful options on this list. The built-in LED light and a 4-bar power indicator add convenience, ensuring you can clean efficiently even in dimly lit areas. The eHamadi features an 8,000 mAh battery, which provides up to 77 minutes of runtime on its lowest setting and fully charges in just 2.5 hours. Its lightweight design makes it portable and easy to use, and the multiple protection features such as temperature and short-circuit protection add a layer of safety. While it's slightly more expensive than the budget options, its performance and durability make it worth the investment. Pros include its high power output, quick charging, and extended runtime. The only con is that it's slightly pricier than other mid-range models. If you need a high-performance air duster for regular or heavy-duty cleaning, this is an excellent choice. Finally, taking the top spot is the Wolfbox MF100 electric air duster, priced at $89.99. This premium model is a powerhouse, boasting a 150,000 RPM motor and a maximum wind speed of 45 meters per second. Its 3 adjustable speed settings let you tailor the power to your specific cleaning needs, making it ideal for everything from delicate electronics to heavy-duty dust removal. The Wolfbox stands out with its premium build quality, compact design, and extended runtime of up to 100 minutes on the first gear. It charges fully in just 2.5 hours and includes 5 nozzles and 2 brushes for versatile cleaning. The lightweight design and included lanyard make it portable and user-friendly, while its 24-month warranty provides peace of mind. The only downside is its steep price, but for those who prioritize performance and durability, it's well worth the investment. Pros include its unmatched power, premium features, and versatility. The only con is the higher price point. If you want the best of the best, the Wolfbox MS100 is the ultimate choice for professional-grade cleaning. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.